Range is 15 and range rate is 0.12 for final approach.
At the top of your screen is the docking port on the Rosviet module with the crosshair docking target just below it. "13 meters separating Soyuz from station, closing at the expected rate of 1/10 of a meter per second.
Unintelligible is 12. Range rate is probably 0. Is unintelligible. All right. On an IPU-1, you have the SSVP mode, the docking and transfer system activation.
We're standing by for contact and capture. Contact and capture.
Contact is confirmed at...
Docking confirmed at 6:34 a.m. Central Time, 7:34 a.m. Eastern Time, as the Soyuz and the station flew 260 miles over Slovenia.
Mechanical capture confirmed. Copy.
The Expedition 73 crew has 3 new mouths to feed on this Thanksgiving Day. A flawless rendezvous, and again docking confirmed at 6:34 a.m. Central Time, 7:34 a.m. Eastern Time.
All right, we are standing by for the O2 tank pressure. The pressure in tank 1 is 102. In number 2 is 248. Prop 506. Copy. Now on page 57. On page 57, we're sending the R7 command to have the wide angle.
2 Soyuz vehicles side by side on the Earth-facing ports of the Russian segment of the International Space Station. The newly arrived Soyuz MS-28 in the middle of your screen, and in the upper left-hand corner, Soyuz MS-27.
We are closing RPV-1 at 15:36:18. And we have AKG command ready. Right. 15:36:30. We sent the command for AKG monitoring, and pressure is 797 at 15:36:30 is 797. BO is 823, and in the instrumentation compartment is
the Soyuz crew reading off technical data to the Russian flight control team in Korolyov. We're waiting for the relative motion to dampen out between the Soyuz and the station before the forward docking probe is retracted to initiate the closing of hooks.
How do you copy? We read you loud and clear. So, did you write down the numbers? Yes. And monitor how the SSVP internal docking and transfer system commands go through within the next few minutes, well, the next 5 minutes.
It was a flawless ride.
Turning off the...
From start to finish. 3 hours and 7 minutes from launch pad in Baikonur to the International Space Station, where Chris Williams of NASA and Roscosmos cosmonauts Sergei Sverchkov and Sergei Mikheyev will spend the next 8 months.
Do you have the electrical connector connected?
And the forward docking probe has retracted. Hooks are now driving to form a hard mate.
Flag. Hooks are open. Gas 17. D17, D15. All right, hooks are closed. We confirm. D17, hooks closed. D15, latch is extended for D13.
And as you just heard, the Russian flight controllers are confirming that hooks are closed at the docking interface between the Soyuz MS-28 spacecraft and the Roscosmos module, which you see in the center of your screen. Again, in the upper left-hand corner is the soon-to-depart Soyuz MS-27 spacecraft that will bring home Johnny Kim of NASA and Roscosmos cosmonauts Alexei Zabritsky and Sergei Ryzhikov. They will undock on December 8th, U.S. time, headed for a parachute-assisted landing on the steppe of Kazakhstan. At the time of undocking, Expedition 73's increment will formally come to an end, and Expedition 74 will begin. But today belongs to Chris Williams, Sergei Sverchkov, and Sergei Mikheyev, as they executed a flawless trip to the International Space Station, launching from the Baikonur Cosmodrome in Kazakhstan at 3:27 a.m. Central Time, 4:27 a.m. Eastern Time, 3 hours and 8 minutes later, arriving at the Roscosmos module for a perfect docking. With hooks now closed and a hard mate formed, the crews on both sides of the docking interface will begin leak checks on either side of that docking interface, setting the stage for the hatch opening and the arrival on board of the 3 Soyuz MS-28 crew members. So with that, we'll wrap up our coverage for the next couple of hours and return on the air at 9:50 a.m. Eastern Time, 8:50 a.m. Central Time for hatch opening coverage and welcoming remarks by the newly arrived Soyuz crew members. Until then, we'll sign off for now. Once again, have a happy Thanksgiving. This is Mission Control Houston. And the Soyuz hatch now swinging open, paving the way for 3 new crew members to arrive on the station. Chris Williams first in. Sergei Mikheyev second in. And the Soyuz commander, Sverchkov, Station population now swelling to 10. The crew now will make their way inside the Zvezda service module to receive welcoming and congratulatory remarks from officials there in Moscow.
Is on the station. Yes, we can see and confirm. Congratulations. So we may go to Space to Ground 1 now and turn off the camera.
The 10 crew members will now reconvene in the Zvezda service module. We are expecting some welcoming remarks from officials at the Russian Mission Control Center that you see there from this balcony camera view in Korolyov outside of Moscow, and a few words from our spacecraft communicator here in Mission Control in Houston, Laura Beachy. You see Beachy next to Flight Director Chris Dobbins, the Orbit 2 team of flight controllers now having taken the helm on this Thanksgiving Day, watching over the International Space Station.
Station Moscow, Space to Ground 1. We switched the cameras, so you may turn off the camera in the service module. Turn it on. Copy, turning on the camera in the service module.
We should be seeing the crew inside the Zvezda service module momentarily.
We are receiving the video. How do you read us? We read you loud and clear.
We can hear you very well.
Congratulations.
Congratulations on being on the station. Great to hear you. Waiting for you all to get together so that we can switch you to the big screen. Are you ready? We're ready. Switching you to the big screen. ISS crew, good day. This is Dmitry, Sergey, Chris, great to see you on ISS. There's a large crew here now. The personnel of Mission Control Moscow is congratulating you. It has been perfect flight to perfect rendezvous, perfect docking. We are happy to be with you here. Now it will be 8 months ahead of us. Congratulations to being here. Thank you. Good to hear you. The operators are sending greetings to you. I'm giving the mic to the guests. They're here at the balcony. They want to talk to you. Thank you again. Thank you. Sergey, hi. How are you doing? How are you feeling? Perfect. Just like second time. It's a bit different than last time. So you came here to stay over winter. Looks like it. Yes, we are actually hiding from the cold here. So okay, so you're going to be here over winter. The cosmonauts are spending winter on ISS. Yeah, the weather down here is not as good. We'll be waiting for you. We'll be waiting for you to come back in the summer. Good. Thank you. Sergey, we can see your happy face. We are so happy for you. It happened again. All your achievements, all your efforts paid off. So you managed to be here. And we'll be waiting for you to come back. Make sure you will spend your time the way you want to usefully and enjoy the views from the station. This is a big hug from the whole family. Okay. Hello to Alena. Understand.
Привет, крестный.
Hi, cousin.
Привет, Сережа.
Hi, Sergey.
Все у вас хорошо, вижу.
Everything is good. I can see you.
Пустая команда всегда поддерживает тебя, а техника работает безупречно.
Make sure you take care of yourself so that everything works perfectly. Thank you.
Спасибо.
We'll do our best.
Сереж, привет.
Hi, Sergey.
Привет.
Hi.
Мы все видели, смотрели. Спасибо
We've
тебе
been
большое. Желаем
watching.
тебе удачи.
We wish you success. Thank you.
Все складывалось замечательно.
Let's make sure everything lines up perfectly.
Спасибо. Будем стараться.
Thank you.
От Леши тоже привет, но он не смог, к сожалению, приехать.
Do our best.
Но мы все передадим ему.
Alesha is saying hello. We will. He wasn't able to be here, but we'll show him the video.
В нашем рандом городе. Пока.
Let's meet again
Пока, до встречи.
down here, okay? In our town, of course. Yes, thank you, Oksana.
Алло. Алло.
Hello.
Привет.
Hi.
Ну, как дела?
How are you?
Алло.
Hello.
Как дела?
How are you?
Добрый я тебя. И желаю тебе всего хорошего.
Wishing you all the best, okay?
Хорошего полета тебе даю.
Have a good flight.
И все хорошо.
Thank you.
Ждем тебя.
Well, we're waiting for you here, okay?
Спасибо.
Thank you. Take care. Guys, greetings to you. Have good health, success in your mission. Return well. All the best to you. Thank you. This is Kalashnikov again. So we're done with the Russian side. Greetings. We hand you over to Mission Control Houston. Thank you again. And the previous crew, please come back. We're looking forward to see you soon back here on the ground. Thank you. Thank you. All the best. Appreciate it.
And Station Houston on Space to Ground 1 from Houston. Welcome to the International Space Station, Sergey, and Chris. As you guys know, just a few weeks ago, our international partnership commemorated 25 years of continuous human presence on the ISS, and the three of you are extending that impressive milestone. And you've started it off with a just flawless arrival. So thanks for setting the stage for a historic increment on this international laboratory that benefits all of humanity. Welcome to the ISS, and have a great time. Yeah, great banner back there. Go 25 years and continuing.
Thank you so much. We're super happy to be here.
And Station Houston, thanks for a great event. We are just wrapping up here on the ground. Appreciate it.
МКС Москва ВСГ-1, с вами снова Костя.
Mission Control Space to Ground 1. This is Konstantin again.
Сейчас вас отключают с больших экранов, поэтому можно расходиться. Я вас еще раз поздравляю.
Congratulations again.
Рада вас были видеть. Спасибо большое.
It was great to see you. Thank you again. Talk to you soon. Talk to you soon. Thank you.
And welcoming remarks from officials and friends of the newly arrived crew at the Russian Mission Control Center in Korolyov outside of Moscow. And here in Houston, in Mission Control, from Laura Beachy, the spacecraft communicator, part of the Orbit 2 team of flight controllers working on this Thanksgiving Day. So with that, we'll wrap up our coverage of the arrival of Soyuz MS-28 to the International Space Station. You see that vehicle in the foreground, docked to the Rosviet module on the Earth-facing side of the Russian segment of the station. And adjacent to that is the Soyuz MS-27 spacecraft that will be the ride home for Johnny Kim of NASA and Roscosmos cosmonauts Sergei Ryzhikov and Alexei Zubritsky on December 8th as we transition from Expedition 73 to Expedition 74. We'll have all of that coverage for you a week from Monday on December 8th on NASA Plus. For now, that will wrap up our coverage of flawless arrival at the International Space Station for Chris Williams of NASA and Roscosmos cosmonauts Sergei Sverchkov and Sergei Mikheyev. With that, we'll complete our coverage for the day. Thanks for joining us throughout the course of the night. And with that, we wish you a happy Thanksgiving from Mission Control in Houston.